Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to open WhatsApp location on your Google Map. So in order to do that, first open your WhatsApp, and as you can see, I have sent one of my friend my location. So if I tap here once, then as you can see, this format is not Google Map. So I want to see this on Google Map. So what should I do then? So in order to do that, what you need to do is press this share button, and from here, as you can see, it says open in maps and open in Google Maps. You need to select open in Google Maps, and as you can see, the location on my chat is now transferred to Google Map. So this is how you open WhatsApp location on your Google Map. That's how you do it.